Welcome to this guided meditation for sleep. Now, if you're listening to this meditation, you might want to settle down onto your bed, lay down and get comfortable. You may stretch out a little bit, but whenever you feel ready, go ahead and lay down your head on your pillow. And we're going to settle in by taking a deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. So go ahead and do that. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take another breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you're taking one more breath, as you exhale, feel free to close your eyes now. Now, for this meditation, we're going to settle in to our deepest state of rest. We're going to do this by relaxing all of our muscles. So what I want you to do is I want you to squeeze your feet, tighten them up. Squeeze all the muscles in your feet for 1, 2, 3, and let them go. Now, tighten up your calf muscles for 3, 2, 1, and let them go. Now, flex your thigh muscles for 3, 2, 1, and let them go. And your hips and bottom, tighten them up for 3, 2, 1, and let go. Now onto your stomach, tighten your abdominal muscles for 3, 2, 1, and you may let them go now. Your chest and your arms, flex them as much as you can for 3, 2, 1, and let them go. Now at last, your neck and your head, your face, every muscle, tighten up as much as you can for 3, 2, 1, and let it go. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to use your awareness, and wherever I tell you to put that awareness, you're going to let go of any tension that might be in that area. So go ahead and let go of any tension that you have in your face muscles. That may be around your eyes, your cheeks, your forehead, and move into your jaw. Let go of any tension and stress that has been gathered in your jaw throughout the day. And now, moving into your neck, let go of any tension, any stress. Moving into your shoulders, let go of all tension. And into your biceps, your triceps and forearms, your hands, and your fingers. Let go of all stress and feel them becoming more relaxed and heavy for every breath that you take. Now move back up into your chest, letting go of any stress that might be in your chest. And moving into your stomach, letting go of all tension. And into your back, your lower back, let it all go. And what you're going to do now is I want you to move into your hips and bottom and let go of any tension that might be here. And moving onto your thighs, letting go of all stress in your thighs and your hamstrings, your knees, calf muscles, ankles, and feet, your toes, and now you feel your body as one huge unity, and you're letting go of any stress that might be left. Take your time. And what you're going to do now is for every breath that you take in, you're going to feel that your body is sinking deeper and deeper into the bed. And go ahead and take a deep inhale and exhale out through your mouth. And take another inhale and exhale. Notice the sensation of breath coming in through your nose and out through your mouth. When you do this, you notice your thoughts are becoming very quiet and you're becoming very sleepy. As you get deeper into the bed, you feel as though your body is now only movement. And for every breath you take, you're falling deeper and deeper into sleep. And you may now go to sleep. This meditation is complete.
Thank you for tuning in to Chrissy's Point of View. If you would like other meditations like this, please be sure to leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe.